repeat buy, okay? If you are a smoker and you suffer from cotton mouth, or if you drink a lot of coffee like I do and you have, you know, something on your teeth going on, okay, then I definitely recommend that you put down that aim. Yes, bottom shelf baddie, put down the aim, okay, and pick up this Arm & Hammer Advanced White. This is the stain defense. It has the stain defense technology. It helps remove stains and prevent new ones from setting. The clean mint scent, okay, it's up to 3 times more plaque removal. My husband and I have been using this for over a month. This is the second purchase, so repeat buy, okay? What I really love about this is, like I said, if you are a smoker of any type and you know you get that cotton mouth, this definitely strips it right away. When it comes to drinking a lot of coffee, caffeine, and all of that getting on your teeth, it definitely helps over time to bring out the color from underneath it, if that makes sense. I'm definitely seeing a lot of change. Along with me reducing the coffee that I've been drinking, I have been seeing a change in my teeth and the whiteness of it, of course. Really glad that I picked this up, and I highly recommend it for anyone, like I said, that smokes, that drinks a lot of coffee, a lot of caffeine, and you're really looking for something that's going to take it all away, okay? This is a very affordable Arm & Hammer Advanced White. It does have a crazy taste to it. I'm gonna let you know that, but it just feels like it's working. It's one of those type of like raw taste, you know? Definitely check this out. I'll make sure that I have it linked down below for YouTube shopping. You can go ahead and click the link right there so that you can get it from the comfort of your own home. Thank you so much.